Welcome to session 47, our last content session. We focus on what separates a 700 from a 750 and up, student-produced response questions, and the hardest multi-step problems. Mastering these adds the most points in the final stretch. You'll enter student responses without formatting errors, solve systems with a parameter, and decompose abstract function and geometry problems step by step. First, student-produced response entry. You can enter integers, fractions, or decimals. All are accepted. Don't round unless the question asks for it. The biggest trap: never enter a mixed number like 1.5. Convert it to 3/2 or 1.5. If the question asks for a positive value, enter only the positive root. And the largest value you can submit is 9,999. Because there are no answer choices to sanity check and SPR, always verify. Write your answer, substitute it back into the original equation, and confirm both sides match. For 3x plus 8 equals 29, you get x equals 7. Plug it back. 3 times 7 plus 8 is 29. It checks. 10 seconds of work often recovers 1 or 2 points per section. Systems with a parameter. Test whether you understand structure. No solution means parallel lines. Same slope, but different intercept. Infinitely many solutions means the two equations are the same line, so all the coefficients are in the same ratio. So, for 3x plus y equals 5 and 6x plus 2y equals k, the second is exactly twice the first when k is twice 5, which is 10. At k equals 10, there are infinitely many solutions. Any other k gives none. Abstract function problems look scary, but yield to decomposition. For g of f of x, substitute f into g. 2 times x squared minus 1 plus 3, which simplifies to 2x squared plus 1. Recursive rules work the same way, one step at a time. If f of n plus 1 is f of n plus 4, and f of 1 is 2, then step up. 6, 10, 14, and f of 5 is 18. Finally, geometry that's really algebra. Turn the words into an equation. A rectangle has perimeter 48, and one side is twice the other. Half the perimeter is x plus 2x, which equals 24. So x is 8, and the sides are 8 and 16. Set up the equation from the constraint, then just solve. Your turn. A right triangle has legs x and x plus 7, with hypotenuse x plus 8. Find x. Pause, and remember to expand each binomial fully. Apply the Pythagorean theorem and expand all three squares. After simplifying, you get x squared minus 2x minus 15 equals 0. That factors to x minus 5 times x plus 3, so x is 5. The sides are 5, 12, 13, a triple in disguise. Let's recap session 47. For student responses, enter exact values, never mix numbers, and verify by substitution. A parameter gives no solution for parallel lines and infinitely many for the same line. Decompose abstract functions, enter first, and build recursive rules one step at a time. And turn geometry constraints into equations. Next time, the final exam.